Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now I am going to discuss database in the Python. The last class also we discussed database related things like connection establishment, how to create a database, how to create a table, how to insert the data into the table. So these are the things we discussed. Now I want to discuss somewhat more, that is a MySQL connection with Python. What are the installation steps? These are things I am going to discuss now. First step, install Python. This is already done. So how to check? Python version. You know that which version is installed. After that, second step is pip install. So that also you can check. I think while installation Python, this also installed. For that you can check like this: pip hyphen capital V. So this shows which version of the pip is installed. Third step is install MySQL. So any version like 5.7 or 8 version, you can directly install it from the internet. Yeah, next step is install connector. That is MySQL hyphen connector method. pip3 install MySQL hyphen connector hyphen Python. With this command, we can install the MySQL connector. Now, the same thing we will do it at hands-on. Open the command prompt and check the all the steps. The first step, whether the Python is installed or not. We are already installed in the first lecture itself. We are already installed the Python. Please check that. How we can check is Python version. Second step is check whether the pip is installed or not. Pip hyphen capital V. Yes, second step also installed. Third step is install MySQL. Some steps we have to go. We already installed MySQL. So this is a software. This is a MySQL workbench. We can directly download it from the internet and you can just install it. So I did this installation. So you also do this MySQL installation. Then after the third step, you go for the fourth step, that is install the MySQL connection with Python. How we can install? That is pip3 install MySQL hyphen connector hyphen Python. Yeah, successfully installed MySQL connector with Python. So this way we have to do the connection step. These are the installation steps to do MySQL connection establishment. So hope you understand. Thank you.